Luma Labs has recently released their new Ray 2 model. This powerful tool can take text, image, and video inputs to create realistic AI-generated videos. In this guide, we'll show you how to start creating your own AI videos with this new technology. When you first visit the site, you'll need to sign in. You can choose to use either your Google or Apple account for login. For this demonstration, we'll use the Google option. To begin a new project, click on Start a New Board. This will bring up the standard prompt interface for creating a new video. In the Settings menu, you'll find many different parameters to customize your video. For our example, we'll create a video from scratch rather than connecting keyframes or modifying an existing video. We'll select a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the standard widescreen format, and set the quality to 1080p high definition. The latest Ray 2 model allows us to generate videos up to approximately 10 seconds in length. It's important to note that using the Ray 2 model requires a subscription. You'll need to upgrade your plan to access this feature. Luma Labs offers both monthly and yearly subscription options. The $10 plan is suitable for non-commercial use and is comparable in price to other video generation services currently available. Enterprise options are also available for professional or commercial needs. If you prefer not to subscribe, you can still use the previous generation model on the free tier. However, after upgrading to Ray 2, we'll return to our project creation and generate a video using the Ray 2 model at 1080p resolution. The generation process takes some time, in our case, over 5 minutes, but the wait isn't unreasonably long. Looking at our results, we notice that although we prompted for pirates walking the plank, neither character in our generated videos appears to be walking a plank. Interestingly, both characters strongly resemble a famous copyrighted Disney character. The generated videos look reasonably good overall, though there are some noticeable AI-generated artifacts. In the first video especially, the background lacks stability and coherence. The second video has a simpler composition, which helps it achieve better overall coherence, and it performs quite well considering it's AI-generated. It's worth highlighting that video generation with Ray 2 is just the beginning. The platform offers several additional features like upscaling, improving resolution, remixing or altering elements, extending, making videos longer, and modifying your videos in various ways. You can save and reuse your prompts for future projects. The platform also allows you to share your project boards with others. Another helpful feature is the brainstorming tool, which suggests related prompt ideas to inspire your creativity. When you navigate back to your boards section, you'll see example boards that Luma Labs has created for you, along with your own projects like the pirate video we just made. There's also an ideas page that displays your recent work and explorations. Remember that this system supports both image and video creation, giving you flexibility in your creative projects. For developers and businesses, Luma Labs offers API access to these models. You can obtain an API key to integrate these capabilities into your own applications. When using the API, note that there's a cost of approximately 80 cents per video for a 5-second duration. If you'd like to support the channel, consider starting a free trial of our new design tool, which is linked in the description, and let us know what you think. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section and we'll do our best to respond. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please enjoy responsibly.